Laird Performance Materials 2-piece surface mount shields offer users the flexibility to snap off the cover of shielded components for easy inspection and repair. This reduces rework and the risk of damaging the PCB by removing the entire shield. Laird Performance Materials offers a variety of standard sizes that can address most applications without incurring tooling costs, and custom sizes can also be tailored to the application. The 2-piece shields are offered with various metal substrates and plating materials, and with or without vents. These shields have a typical shielding effectiveness of 40 decibels at 1 GHz, minimizing the effects of EMI. Laird Performance Materials 2-piece shields are ideal for a wide range of industries and applications, including medical, industrial, automotive, military, gaming, and other applications that require PCB component-level shielding.